Hello everyone, welcome again. So yes, today we are going to discuss some Excel formula. Now I hope everyone is aware about the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Everyone knows that part. But yes, what about the XLOOKUP? So now today we are going to see how we can use the XLOOKUP and what is the benefit of using that part. So let's quickly discuss it on Excel. Let's see the practical part of that. Here you can see we have one data in which we have ID, name, age and salary. Now talking about VLOOKUP, if I want to find the salary on the basis of ID. So let's suppose I have an ID, let's say here 3, and I want to check for the salary. So it's easy for me. I will just simply say I want a VLOOKUP here, in which the lookup value will be this ID. I want this data in this whole table. I'll select it. Just a moment. Yeah. And inside that, if that particular data will be finded, then I want a column index number that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you can see like I have to count the column number. And also after that I can say like I want exactness, so for that I will use 0. Now you can see for 3 it is giving me the salary. Similarly, if I change it to 12, it will give me NA because this data is not there. Now let me show you the benefit of the XLOOKUP in these cases. Let's suppose I have my ID, let's say 3 here, and I want again the salary part for that. So in this time I will use the XLOOKUP, in which first of all I have to use the lookup value, that is 3. Now I want to use a lookup array. So instead of selecting the whole table, I have to only select that array in which I am looking the 3, and then the return array, which means from which particular column I want the return result. And after that, if that value will not found, then what particular data I want to write. So I can write not found. That is the basically benefit of using the XLOOKUP. Now you can see the salary for third ID is 46546. But if I change it to 12, you can see it is giving me not found. Now instead of getting an error, it's very good to get an error message. That will give you a better option for that. So now this is the particular, you can say the updated version of the XLOOKUP in the Excel, and it is most commonly used and asking in interviews. So don't miss this type of steps and this type of updates. Okay guys, have a great day. Bye bye.